Everyone's telling you how much they made selling ebooks in today's digital age, but no one's showing you how they got the sales, as in how the heck to market them. Until now, most ebook gurus aren't making money from ebooks, they're making money from selling you the dream. And if you're kind of sick of all those fake Ferrari driving bro marketers, this video will be refreshing like a cold slap of truth in a sea of rented Lambos and Ferraris. Because I'm not here to flex, I'm here to show you what actually works. While playing blackjack in Vegas, my phone kept dinging, but I wasn't winning money from the casino. I was making sales, $17 notifications rolling in one after another. Each one from the very first ebook I ever created. No ads, no fancy funnel, just three simple things I did differently. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what they were. What's up, my fellow beautiful entrepreneurs? How are you doing? If you've ever finished your ebook and thought, now what, this video is for you. In fact, I'm creating this video especially for somebody who watched one of my last YouTube videos and said, how can you market digital products specifically for ebooks, Maria? And so here's this video. And this relates also to the Vegas story I was telling you about, because that was my first ever digital ebook sold online for $17. So let's go into screen share mode right now, because I believe you remember things better when you see visuals. This is the part that got me out of hoping someone buys into real repeatable results. You're about to see it live. And before I do that, the one thing I will share with you, I'm going to use my Yeti to kind of hide it. But basically, one of the first things you want to do is build an email list. What's the second thing? Go to your audience and create content. What's the third thing? Paid ads on Facebook or Instagram, which will help accelerate your results. So let me now go to the screen and let's create some magic together. Okay, so I have this fancy graphic charting and drawing thing that I really love. I hope you like it too. Let me know below, comment below if you dig this kind of graphics. But this graphic kind of shows you right now, if you kind of see this left line here is kind of you're building your email list, 'cause that's one of the most important thing, and also your followers, right? Your social media followers, whether it be Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, whatever, Twitter, X, whatever you end up using. And then time, right? This is as time goes on. And I want everyone to know that you might be on the 90th yard line and only 10 yards away from your home run. And a lot of people I see give up when they're on the 90th yard line after all their hard work trying to sell your digital products or your ebook. And I want to tell you that it's often a upward graph like this. Like it doesn't. A lot of people wish that, let's just put this in black, that your money happens like this. That with little time you all of a sudden cash in and make all this money, right? But the truth is, if we kind of people are lying to you if they say you're going to be able to make, $1,000 like super fast without any background or content making skills, money making skills. You grow those high income skills online. So whether it's your first ebook or your 1 millionth ebook, okay, the point is that we're often learning and growing, right? So I can't predict for you whether the time frame is in 1 week or in 1 month or even like 1 year before it gets to this, wonderful amount where you're making, say after this is 1 year, you're making like $10,000 months, $20,000 months. This could also be 1 month. It all depends on how fast your content cash skills start improving and your money making skills start improving, like how good are you selling your ebook, right? So I want to show something else that's really important, because we talked about the importance of building a list or your audience, right? And what you're going to do, what you see here is kind of a shape of a funnel. Like, so you're often hear marketing terms, a funnel or a sales funnel. So, and all these cute little stick figures here. I hope you like my drawing. Let me know if you like my drawing below. Just comment drawing below, and I know that you're still watching this video and that you like it. So you have all these people up here that enter your funnel, and typically it's through some kind of freebie. Let's kind of come here for a second. Yeah, let's make this a little bit bigger. Yeah. So you have this like a freebie, people coming in and looking at your stuff. A freebie could even be like a free YouTube video, right? That you're posting. You have this huge audience over here. Okay. This huge audience, all these people looking at you, right? So this is it's what's called top of the funnel. The top of the funnel, just becoming aware of you. And it could be through your videos, could be, as you can see here, through your freebies, could be through your VSLs, like video sales that are just called. Maybe you're doing a webinar to build your email list. Could even be a low ticket offer, low ticket offer, meaning your ebook's like $7 or $27 or $37, but they're seeing that low ticket offer. Maybe they're entering their email to start like checking out, and they're getting on your email list as well. And then a certain amount of people will funnel down into actually buying from you. That's why it's like here, say for instance, if this were 100 people, right? If this were 100, right? Well, maybe further down, like maybe they start the checkout or they enter their email, start watching your webinar and all that jazz. So maybe this has come down to say 50 people now, right? And forgive me if the perspectives aren't exactly one half the amount of people here versus this top row. But let's say then, we're funneling them down, and the people now that are more curious to buy and just about to hit that buy button, maybe come down here, and we're talking now about 20 people here. Okay. And then all of a sudden people are buying here, and then you'll see here, there's 3 people here. Maybe that's 3. And let's turn that to black. So 3% is the industry average of the amount of people that typically buy from you. If 100 people hit your sales page, 3% is the industry average. I like to try and get my clients or my own stuff to like 10%, meaning this would be 10 people down here out of 100 people that see your offer. So I'll just kind of draw that out here. Let's say, so if that's 10, that's 10%. So if you have something that's like, $27, that's $270 that you could be making, right? Or let's go like that. So I'll just say 270. This is very simplistic. I'm not including like order bumps or upsells as an example. So, but what I want to point out is that how is that all done? Okay, a couple things. The one thing that can happen here, I'll make this a little bit bigger so you can see it, is that you typically have, so I'm responding again to the question that some people asked on my YouTube prior videos about selling, how to market your digital products. They want to know exactly for ebooks. Please keep in mind that I'm showing you this if I were to go into presentation mode here. By the way, I created this in AI. It's called Gamma, GAMMA.app. This was all created in artificial intelligence in like 5 minutes or less. But I'm basically showing you how to sell your digital ebook without using Amazon KDP. So if we kind of go through that, why do you want to sell outside of Amazon KDP? Well, because 97% revenue retention. You keep up to 97% of the sales of what you sell because your merchant account like Stripe might take the 3% or Shopify or some other payment options that you could use versus KDP takes 35 to 70% of your sales, right? So for every $100, you're giving $70 away. But the most important thing is that you have 100% content control here, and also the customer data is yours. If you sell yourself outside of Amazon KDP and ebook, you're talking. This becomes your email list. You see, I'm gonna highlight this because this is so important. I'm gonna put green stars about it. This here, your email list, is like your virtual ATM machine, right? They can pull cash out. Your number one goal, no matter what you do, is just build your email list so that you nurture that email list and sell more to them, right? You can get them to watch your YouTube videos and build up your audience on YouTube or other social media platforms. But you want to basically give something for free. Like here's the landing page with the square here is kind of attempting here to be the email the person gives you. And when they enter a landing page, whether it's a webinar or a free lead magnet, like the top 10 tips to build a YouTube channel could be an example of a free lead magnet, or a free custom GPT, or a free mini course, or free cheat sheet, they will come down here and start being something you own. Like you can market now to those emails and those people. And that's why we have, as you can see here, these, I'll just draw here. These are like emails that you can send that go out back to your people to your sales page. Here, your thanks page and sales page, right? This is where money happens here as well. So basically they opt in, say I did 10 top tips to get more views on your YouTube video. And then the person kind of enters my customer journey here. They get to the thanks page. Hey, your downloads in your inbox. You've probably seen that many times. But then it's like, hey, while you're waiting, and I give you some delicious offer for like $17, right? that you can buy. So this is an example of a way to sell your ebook. And the way to make even more money, is if they say yes to that, then you offer them something else. Like, and this is typically called an upsell, right? So if I go here, I'll just go upsell. So, this could be like $97. And this is where the real magic and money starts coming in, because then all of a sudden, instead of selling something for just 17, right? If say 30 people, say 100 people buy this, let's turn this into black. Because you know what? Math is gorgeous when it comes to making money online. So say 100 people buy your $17 thing. So typically we see a 30% conversion rate of your OTO, maybe sometimes 20%, but say 30% of the people who buy your $17 ebook buy your $97 upsell. So whatever information product this is, right? So we're talking 30%, that's 30 people. So, we can all do the math. We can pull up a calculator here. If I go 30 times 97 equals, that's $2,910 more. I'm going to write this down here. $2,910 you never would have had if you actually didn't do an upsell. So that's why it's kind of cool to include an upsell, by the way. And most platforms allow you to do upsells. I kind of created this slide to show a few platforms you could sell on. Like I've used ClickFunnels, Kajabi, Systeme.io, and I still use them actually to this day. Also love using School. But here, choosing the right direct sales platform. The point is, just get started with one. If you're already using one, then stick with it and make sure it has the ability to do what's called an order bump and an upsell. So you could use like Card plus Stripe. You could use System.io. You'll see that here. All-in-one sales funnel builder with email marketing. You could use Beacons AI or Standstore or Gumroad. Gets you started fast. Make sure you can do email marketing to make more money. And ClickFunnels or Kajabi, comprehensive sales solution, higher cost but powerful conversion tool. So I'll show you. This is one of my offers, and it's made on ClickFunnels. This is a ClickFunnels course. This isn't like it's kind of an ebook plus a bit of videos as well, video training that I do, where I showcase. Obviously, if you have case studies or testimonials, showcase them. This is Kimmy here. In just 2 months, she had her online business doing over 5 figures, and I'm saying, hey, what if creating profitable information products was easy? And Micro Offer Magic, I'm showing this, and it's $27. People can buy it, and this is where I'm saying you're collecting their email list, because if you start entering, because if you want to buy it and get started, then it takes you to entering your credit card information, like you buy it for $27. And then I also have a one-time offer here. So one of the greatest ways to build a massive cash surge in sales is creating a system for selling your offer. And right now you can access my 5-day cash machine course and templates that shows you exactly what we use to create even more sales. So if I click that, right, then that's an extra $17. So I just made extra money, right? And then on the other side of this, when the person says yes, they can get offered something for $97. So that's just an example of kind of a sales page here. So if I come back to here, that would be, and I'll just outline this in orange. This would be, the sales page that you just saw, a sales page. Okay. And so you saw me enter an email address on this page, right? To start the checkout process, right? To get to this. So they're already now in my email, right? So they're here. That person's email address would be here. So powerful, isn't it? So one of the things that I want to share with you as well, if we come into a little bit, I haven't introduced myself properly to you in case you don't know who I am. I just want to share with you a little bit about my background, so you kind of know that I've been in this for a while and I've seen it all. So I've been marketing online since about 2008, 2009, and I also have expertise in software, startups, consulting, and information products. So on the left-hand side here, you see the Google logo. Eric Schmidt at that time was the chairman of Google. He invested in my software company I co-founded with my partner, Carlos Navarez, business partner. And in 2011, March started the new software company, and it went from 0 to 30 million valuation. And as of today, actually, a piece of that software is actually used for dementia patients in a hospital right now as an emotional intelligence app. So that's pretty proud of that, pretty cool. And then on the left-hand side here, on the left bottom of the triangle, see consulting. I've sold over 1 million per year annually consulting. Minimum package is 20,000. If someone were to come to me and say, hey, Maria, can you build me a marketing campaign and low ticket funnel? Starts at 20 grand. And then I also have branding package, which some software CEOs have bought in the past for $500,000. And then here, information products, I've made over 500,000 in 1 month selling digital products, digital ebooks, digital courses, and over 1 million per year, all just a staff of 4. And more importantly, I help other people do that too. That's why hopefully you're here watching this today with me, is that I even have case studies. I'll put the link below. I have case studies where I've helped 2 gals get to $1 million in sales in 10 months. That I have an exact case study how that was done. And in addition to that, I'll actually show you just one last thing. If you're still with me, I hope you totally comprehend exactly what I'm talking about. If you come in here, I have the YouTube AI Accelerator. I'm actually going to rename it to Maria's Income Accelerator. But if you come over here, you can join it. And I just started this. It's kind of in beta mode. So it's only $97 a month to get started. And if you click the About section, it'll share some testimonials here and what you get. And kind of it's basically to get you sales and to get you your first 1,000 subscribers. Here's Frank Kern, who's given me a testimonial. He's also promoted one of my webinars in the past as well. Maria has just stolen, this is what Frank Kern said, Maria has just stolen my most expensive title for me. She landed a $500,000 client deal for internet marketing and some done-for-you branding stuff. She's the real deal, remarkable. And this is like a ClickFunnels shot of one of my clients, April 11th, 2025, $189,275 she's already made from one of the funnels that I built with her and marketing campaigns. So if you were to get the, it's $97 a month. If you were to grab it, you just kind of here, you won't see settings. You'd actually see join. If you buy the annual, you can save yourself 6 months of like basically $600. So instead of $1,200 for the year, you can get in for $600. When you do that, you also get a one-on-one private AI strategy and content planning call with me, and a bonus gift of done for you 6-week YouTube content packaging and script. So every video you create gets subscribers and sales. So if you come over here, kind of shows you everything that you get here. But I don't want to talk all about that. I want to talk about you, because the most important thing that I can say, I'm going to come back to this diagram here, is you need to start building your audience. And visually, that's why I'm showing this funnel here, because this is your audience building, right? So all this is your audience building. So you want to go back to where people are. You want to go to your audience and create content that sells. So YouTube is a fantastic, I think for 2025 and beyond, YouTube is a fantastic place to do it, because every video you do, think about this, every single video you do is like a mini cash producing asset that not just exists today when you post it, but also 6 months from now, 6 years from now, right? When I started my YouTube channel about 6.5 months ago, I got 2,000 subscribers in like 7 days because one video just took off like a home run, and has to this day over 35,000 views. And other videos average more like 1,000 views. Some are like as if I'm going up to bat, in baseball, and I swing the bat. Some strike out and I only get like 100 views or 68 views or 200 views. And some are first base, maybe they get 800 views, and some are like second base or third base, and that gets like 3,000 views. And some are home runs and hit it out of the park. But more importantly, these videos collect cash. If you look in the description below, just use it as an example how I'm sending you to a freebie offer. I'm sending you to buy something from me. This is school. You can buy something from me. Coaching and digital products. You also get access to micro offer magic when you come in here. Here's the whole micro offer magic program where people are actually making money making these low ticket offers, whether it be ebook, whether it be a little mini digital course, right? And kind of showing you some examples of 792 days, $665 that day, and $695 that day. So there's that. And then also inside the classroom, you'll get step-by-step how to create your YouTube channel. You'll get my AI, $1 Million YouTube Scriptwriter, the AI Visibility Engine, how to upload the video, how to package your YouTube video, and also cash producing case studies. And what's coming up here is how to edit your videos and content to product pipeline. Plus, you get weekly coaching calls with me. Most importantly, you get proximity to me. If you come in the calendar, you'll see that we have weekly YouTube coaching calls with me, and then we have working sessions every Monday at 12 noon Eastern. So having said all that, I hope you truly hope you enjoyed watching this video, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. I read every content and read every comment. Can I talk? And I respond to every comment as well. So wishing you love and light, and have a great day. Cheers.